there is no challenge. For those who acquire their strength from courage, have a fighting spirit, and a will as strong as steel, there is no challenge. In the mountains, forests, rivers, and seas, in the heat and the cold, in the day and the night, there is nothing to hold them back. At every step they take, they have a strong, durable, and reliable companion that empowers them. With YDS, there is no challenge under any circumstances. Our factory in Ankara, which houses the latest technology worldwide, has a manufacturing area of about 100,000 square meters, with a team of 30 engineers who are experts in their fields. Our organization, consisting of production and logistics of around 3,000 employees, have an average of 20 years of experience. They consistently produce innovative solutions tailored to our customers' needs. As the leading company in the market, we are the largest manufacturer in the military clothing equipment and footwear industry. We have an annual turnover on average $100 million over the last 30 years. In addition to the Turkish Armed Forces, we export our products to 55 countries, including European countries such as the United Kingdom, Denmark, Norway, and also the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. Understanding the needs of our customers according to the environmental circumstances and operational characteristics, we produce the most suitable products for them with global quality standards. We ensure continuous production with our weekly production capacity of 150,000 pairs of technical footwear. We support sustainable green energy, and from our on-site solar panels, we generate 70% of our total electricity needs. As YDS, we manufacture technical boots, footwear, and technical textile products, ballistic goggles, leather goods and tents, all specially produced for armed and security forces with global standards. We ensure quality by carrying out all stages from R&D to the final output within our organization. R&D department is to meet all needs in technical textile and boot production, maintaining the latest technological production standards and quality. We design and manufacture each product according to the military operational needs. Our attention to select the best fabric and the highest quality leather is the most important stage in creating a reliable production process. The amount of raw material available in our warehouse supports our production process and ensures its sustainability. We conduct tests in our SATRA accredited laboratory according to the relevant quality standards, starting from the entry process of the raw material to the finished product. With this process, we ensure our quality in all production stages. With our technical product range, we can offer solutions for all security forces and professionals, especially the armed forces. We have expanded our technical product range extensively in recent years, investing about $20 million. We produce quality products in an industry-leading production facility equipped with the latest technology. Working with Bayer and Lanxess, two of the world's leading rubber suppliers, we maintain our quality standards with an annual production volume of 3,000 tons of high-quality rubber components and 6 million pairs of boots. Equipment means everything for a soldier. We take pride in being the supporters of our greatest heroes. We provide quality and resilience with every step they take. We observe every detail, thinking of the most difficult conditions, and produce each product with the guarantee of being the best. Accredited by the International Shoe Technology and Testing Centre SATRA in the UK, we had a laboratory where all kinds of physical and chemical tests of shoes, boots, leather, tents, technical textiles, rubber, and polyurethane sole materials are done. To maintain our high-quality standards, We conduct compliance tests on 150,000 products per week in our laboratories, performing quality control with physical and chemical methods. We regularly test compliance with the required technical specifications, NATO and European standards. In emergency situations such as earthquakes, we can rapidly take action and are able to produce nearly 100,000 tents. We collaborate with Turkish Red Crescent and the Ministries for Emergency and Disaster during changeling circumstances. With our achievements on the international stage and exporting 55 countries, we are the largest and leader in the industry. With YDS, there is no challenge under any circumstances.